Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to see your sent e-transfers in RBC for 2025. Whether you're tracking a payment or just keeping tabs on your transactions, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. E-transfers are a breeze with RBC, but knowing where to look can save you hassle. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have the RBC mobile app downloaded on your smartphone or access to RBC online banking through their website. You'll need to be logged in with your secure credentials, think username, password, and any two-factor authentication if prompted. This ensures your account stays safe while you manage your finances. Step 1. Open the RBC app and log in. If you're on the web, head to rbcroyalbank.com and sign in there. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. That's your home base. Step 2. Look for the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the main screen. Tap or click on it to proceed. Step 3. In the Transfers menu, find the option for eTransfers. This might be labeled as Interac eTransfer or simply eTransfers. Select it to see your activity. Step 4. Now, scroll to the Sent tab or filter for sent transfers. Here, you'll see a list of all your outgoing e-transfers, including details like the amount sent, the recipient's name, the date, and the current status, whether it's pending, completed, or declined. A quick tip for 2025: RBC might update their app interface, so if things look a bit different, check for a search bar or help section within the app. It's always a good idea to keep your app updated for the latest features and security. And that's it. You've now mastered viewing your sent e-transfers in RBC. This process is quick, secure, and empowers you to manage your money effectively. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.